Empowered learning is an efficient way for you to take online courses. You'll manage your pace as you create projects for the real world and collaborate with faculty and peers. This way of learning is often called competency-based education. It differs from traditional and online courses in that you prove what you can do, not just what you know. When you first log into the dashboard, you'll see your courses. When you click on Your Course, you'll find a Getting Started folder and a Learning Plan. Before you dive into your coursework, you'll define goals and lay out how you will achieve them. This is called your learning plan. Once you submit the learning plan, your course modules will open and you can begin the course. In the Course Project folder, you'll find everything that is due for the course called deliverables, so you'll know what to expect from the start. Think of these deliverables as mini projects. To complete the course, you must successfully complete each course project. This gives you the opportunity to demonstrate your growing knowledge. Each project reflects something you would do as a professional in the field. You'll also see that courses are organized into a series of modules, with each module dedicated to a specific competency. A competency is a specific skill or knowledge area that is essential not just for completing your degree, but also for achieving success in the workplace. Students like how empowered learning courses at Rasmussen University allow them to apply each competency to a real-world scenario. You're not just completing the course projects, but you're also building on your previous experience and adding your new knowledge of the material. If there is an area you're already familiar with, because of your prior work or life experience, start that part of the project right away. If it's new to you, take your time to explore interactive content, media, and other resources. Remember, you can work ahead. There are no weekly deadlines, and you don't have to do the projects in order. You'll submit small projects for each competency, plus one final project that brings it all together. This shows that you know how to connect the dots, which employers truly value. As you work on each deliverable, you have complete visibility into the grading criteria that faculty will use to grade your work, called Rubrics. Avoid surprises by looking over each rubric before starting your work to know how mastery is defined. Always ask your faculty member for clarification if you have questions. And remember, you always have the option to submit each assignment more than once after seeing the feedback. Each module is built to allow you to assess, learn, and practice the content before you prove your mastery of the competency or skill area through the course project. Under Multimedia Content, you can watch short videos with subject matter experts guiding you through the content and demonstrating how these skills work in the professional world. You'll find knowledge checks throughout each course. These are ungraded assessments that help you gauge your understanding of the material. You'll also find a variety of course readings, as well as interactive games and activities to help you explore real-world scenarios. You can interact with all these content pieces before your assessment, and you're free to use them as much or as little as you want. An important part of empowered learning is to know you're not on your own. For at least 1 hour per week, you can meet online with your faculty and classmates who are also working on that specific competency. You're encouraged to discuss the big questions and participate, as these live sessions can greatly enrich your learning. If you need tech support along the way, our personal support center is available 24/7. And your faculty are available to answer your course-related questions. Once you experience this competency-based learning style, you'll see how beneficial it is to learn by doing, manage your own pace, and learn in community. Thank you for taking a look at the advantages of empowered learning at Rasmussen University.